How to fix Hargreaves Lansdown account login not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Hargreaves Lansdown account login not working. If you're having trouble logging into your Hargreaves Lansdown's account, then you will need to follow these steps. If you are using the mobile application, you will need to first check the update for the application. If it is available, you can go ahead and update the application. If you are using a browser, in the search bar type in agile.co.uk and then search for it. You will be taken to the official website of Hargreaves Lansdown. Here click on this login button at the top right and here enter your correct username. Make sure to enter your date of birth in the format given here. After entering the correct details, check if that works. If this is not solving your problem, then you might need to clear the cookies and cache of your browser settings. For that, you can click on the three dots at the right side on the top, and from here you will need to select delete browsing data. Click on this option. After that, you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. Make sure to select this checkbox that says cache and cookies, and after that click on this delete data. After doing it, you can click on this OK correct and return back to the previous tab. Now check if that solves your problem. If the issue still persists, you can switch to another web browser like Microsoft Edge, Chrome or Firefox. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you may also click on this Contact Us option at the top right of your screen, and then here you can click on this Account and Settings, and then you will be presented with this customer service number. You can call to them between the time given below and ask for further assistance to solve your problem. You may also send a message to them. For that, you'll need to scroll down and here you will need to click on the Send Us a Message. Here you can select a title, your first name, enter your last name, your email address, your main phone number, and if you have your mobile number, you can enter it here, but this one is optional so you can skip it. Now select the main subject of your query. Click on this Please Select button and from here you can select the topic that is related to your issue. And after that, in this box, you can send them a message. Once you have entered your message, at the bottom, you will see this option, Where did you hear about us? You can click on this Please Select button and select one of these options. After that, here you will need to select one of these options, whether you want to receive the information or response via email or phone. Once selected, click on the Submit button at the bottom and then your request will be submitted. Now you will need to wait for the response from Hargreaves Lansdown, and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix your Hargreaves Lansdown account login not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.